Hi guys, welcome back to another e-learning video. This video will be over how to graph a system of linear inequalities. So I have my two variable linear inequalities here, and just a reminder, it has x and y, that's why it's a two variable, and it's linear because it's set up like y and mx plus b. So let's focus on the first one here, on how we graph this one. So I will show that. It's graphed just like you would normally graph from slope-intercept form. You have your slope, you have your y-intercept, you start at your y-intercept, and then you follow your slope rules. And I'll show you that here. So you started at 1, go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2, and that comes from your slope. And you have your whole line there. And the only thing you're going to notice is that this is a dotted line because, reminder, this is not or equal to. You don't want to count the line because it's not equal to this line. It's just greater than this line. So don't count the line. So just put it dotted. But you do want everything that's greater than this line. So greater than means shade above. Okay, greater than means shade above the line. So I went ahead and did that. And then let's look at the other one. So let's take the focus off this one. Look at this one. This one has a y-intercept of 4. Then you go down to right 3. So down 2, right 3, down 2, right 3, and you have your whole line here. And you notice that it does have or equal to right there. It has an or equal to sign, which means you want a solid line. When you have or equal to, you have a solid line, and when you don't, you have a dotted line. Because in this case, we have y could be less than this line, or y could be equal to this line. So you actually do want to count the line as solution, so you're going to draw a solid line, and you're going to shade everything that's less than this line. So you're going to shade below this line. Let's put those two together. So now you have a system of linear inequalities that you've graphed. You have two inequalities that you've graphed here. So where are your answers? Well, your answers are going to be where you see double shading. So when you see that shaded twice, this is the area that holds all the solutions that would work for both of these inequalities. So an example of a good solution might be this one. So that's negative 3, 3. This might be an answer, and in fact it is, because if you try it out, it will work for this, and it will work for this. Anything that's in this area will work for both things. Remember, you can't count the things that are on this line, but you could count the things that are on this line, and you can count all the things here. So that is what you're looking for. You're looking for the double shading, and that's where all your solutions are that work for both of these inequalities. So that was just our quick video over that. If you have any questions about how to graph a linear inequality, make sure you let me know, because it's crucial that you understand how to graph one of them before you even get to graphing both. So we're going to graph both, and then you're going to shade both, and then on the double shading, that's where your answers are. And you can check your solutions by trying out one of the numbers that are in your solution here. So if you wanted to check it, you just need to check, okay, let me try one of these, negative 4, 4, and you would plug in negative 4 for x and 4 for y and see if it works out. Plug in negative 4 for x and 4 for y and see if it works out. And it should. It should work out for both. And that means you are correct in how you have graphed it. But again, just let me know if you have any questions during office hours. And in our next video, I will be going over combining a linear inequality, and I'll make this other one a quadratic.